Our nation is vast and beautiful, blessed with mighty rivers and life-giving water sources. Yet a quiet and unseen problem is growing within them. Small, almost invisible pieces of plastic have started to appear in the water we depend on every single day. From the sacred waters of the Ganges to the tap in your kitchen, these tiny particles are being found more and more often. Recent studies conducted right here in India have brought this issue to light, showing us a reality we can no longer ignore. These are not distant problems from other countries. They are happening right here, in our homeland, affecting our communities. One important study discovered a significant presence of these tiny plastic fragments flowing within the currents of the Ganges River, a lifeline for millions. Other research has confirmed similar findings in the tap water of several Indian cities, meaning the issue has moved from our rivers directly into our homes. It is a subtle invasion, one that does not announce itself with noise or color. So, what exactly are these microplastics we hear so much about? In simple terms, they are incredibly small pieces of plastic. Imagine a single grain of sand or a tiny speck of dust. Many microplastics are that small or even smaller. The official definition describes them as plastic particles less than 5 millimeters in length, which is smaller than a grain of rice. Because they are so tiny, they can easily go unnoticed by the naked eye. Yet they are present in our environment in staggering numbers. They are the broken down remnants of our plastic world, silently accumulating where they do not belong. These particles come from two main sources. Many are created when larger plastic items, plastic bags, plastic bottles and containers, are left in the environment. The sun's rays, the wind, and the waves of our rivers and oceans slowly break these items down into smaller and smaller fragments. This process can take hundreds of years, but it continuously releases a stream of tiny plastic bits into our surroundings. This is why a single plastic bottle discarded carelessly can contribute to pollution long after it has disappeared from sight. Understanding how these tiny plastic particles enter our water systems here in India is the key to stopping them. The journey often begins in our own hands and homes. When plastic waste is not disposed of properly, food wrappers, bags, bottles, it finds its way into open drains and gutters. During the monsoon rains, this plastic trash is washed into our local streams and rivers, beginning its long journey of breakdown. Inadequate waste collection services in many urban and rural areas mean that a large amount of plastic litter ends up directly in the environment, becoming a primary source of future microplastics. Another significant pathway is through our wastewater. Every time we wash synthetic clothes, thousands of tiny microfibers are released into the water. When we use personal care products containing microbeads, those plastic particles are washed down the